What's up, guys? It is Monday evening. No, we are not going up there this evening. We're taking a different walk. We're gonna take a little stroll up through. Hello. We're gonna take a stroll down MacArthur Highway here. Show you what it looks like in the evening. Somebody always says, oh, you go by the McDonald's, but you never show the McDonald's. Okay, well, there's the McDonald's, guys. There's a handful of people in there. They got the table set up for, for eating and everything like that, which is good. But there's not too many people in there. They do the old grab and stuff. Here is the Fields Plaza Hotel. Jeepney drop-off point there. Hey, all right.
Thank you for American in the Philippines.
Huh? What was that?
Rodo, give me going.
Give me. Give me is not in my vocabulary.
What do you say? Yeah. Welcome to my vlog. I love you in the Philippines.
All right. I don't give anybody any coins that say give me. Give me. Give me is not in my vocabulary. That's pretty cool. That's Led Zeppelin. Long live rock and roll. Yeah, you say give me, I don't. If you ask me politely, maybe you will, maybe you won't. Never know. A Mercury drugstore. They're doing construction in there. See, they're selling the face shields. They're selling the face shields, right? But get this. I've seen it on the news where the mayor of Manila said no more face shields. They said no more face shields. And then they came back on the news and said the mayor cannot make that decision. It has to be done on a higher level. However, we do allow our LGUs, our local governing authorities, to make decisions. They couldn't make that one. They were saying no shields to be worn except for inside medical buildings. This maybe it's not because the lights are on. Milk tea to go. First place I ever had chicken manok. Well, chicken is manok. Barbecue manok and barbecue pork. First place I ever had it. Liempo. I'm sorry, Liempo. Man, it looks good. First place I ever bought some here in the Philippines. This place has been here a long time. Liempo looks really, really good. Juices are they're just floating off of it. Juices are floating off of the chicken. See it dripping. He just stuck them up there. I think we're just going to take a little stroll down here to Johnny's, then turn around and go down the other street, and then maybe turn around and go down a couple more streets. Traffic's not bad on a Monday. It's around 7:30, 8 o'clock maybe. You guys ever remember me talking about a guy named Stoner Guy? Made me laugh first time I was down here because he picked up a stone, he threw it at a car. The people in the car were teasing him prior to him throwing it, and when I seen that happen, I just started laughing. So I nicknamed him Stoner Man. There's Johnny's. Are they open? They're closed. Why are they closed?
It's closing at 5:30.
They close at 5:30. Oh yeah, right there it is on their open 8:30, close at 5:30. Wow, that's strange, huh?
Yeah, maybe it will be back.
Yeah. Maybe it'll be back.
It'll be back after everything is done.
Yeah. There's, as I call it, Clown Verge. We're just gonna shoot across the road here. Clown Verge. Oh, look out. Oh, there's a big bus. Looks like an opening. All right, made it across that one. Now we're gonna make it across this one. Oh, they're stopping, they're stopping. I watch a motorcycle shooting up the side. Thank you, thank you. All these are closed through here also. Are they always closed? Or they just close at night?
Yeah. What? That one there?
All these through here.
All of this is open in the morning.
Open in the morning.
Like
There's
5, 6.
a bunch of little vendors set up there selling fish balls and stuff. South Star Drugs. I gotta watch what I say. I don't know, something's going on with YouTube and their algorithm. They're giving me a runaround with certain things, so I gotta watch what I say. I don't know what's going on. Here's where I got this massage for $1.99 for an hour. It's a good place. Good place. Hello. Panda Pizza. Panda Pizza. A grocery store in there. Fruits, vegetables. Oh, look out. You go where? This place?
Yeah.
Is that where you go shopping with the girls? B1 clothing house.
Yeah.
I thought he was backing out.
I don't know. Maybe they know. Or because of the...
Well, we'll go around the front. That's where look goes with the girls. And we got the famous Jollibee that I am not a fan of. Jollibee, they do good. They do have good soda, and they do have good French fries. There's all your Grab guys, all waiting. You know, look, Jollibee has good French fries and soda, right?
Yeah. No, their chicken also.
You like their chicken?
Good too, but it depends for the area.
Oh, okay.
Last time I got the Jollibee, I'm very disappointed. But this Jollibee is okay.
Let's say it's different Jollibees have different flavored chicken. Some are better than others, she says. It's a whole complete scenery change from day to night with all the lights on. Here's more chicken. And liempo. Yeah, no, that's all chicken. Yeah, that's all chicken. Looks a little well done. Shoot out here. Like his hammock. That guy's relaxing. You got your hammock going on and everything. Your hammock. You're relaxing. No, thank you. Hello.
Beef.
Fat?
Yeah.
Fat of chicken?
It's a beef.
Check out these little things here they're selling. First I've seen of them. Pretty neat. See, now look at the grease. See that grease? I wouldn't eat the chicken from there. Hey, my friend, how are you?
My friend.
Hello, my friend. How are you? Yeah, Abacan Bridge. That's one of the guys from the Abacan Bridge. I remember your face. I remember you. I gotta stop back to you guys. Say hello to you guys.
I'm okay.
Yeah, working? Yeah, working?
Hello, guys. Okay.
Collecting your cardboard? Your recycles? Yeah. Good deal. Good deal. All right. I'm gonna stop back there. Say hello to you guys again. All right. That's a kid from the Abacan Bridge. At least they work, you know. All right, let's head down. We're gonna catch. We took the trike up. We had an errand we had to run, so we just grabbed the trike. Our neighbor, and he brought us up, so we'll just grab a trike and take it home. But we'll walk down this road here real quick. Let me switch this off and reset it. All right, I have to reset it because it shuts off after so long. I don't want to be in the middle of talking, not paying attention, and then it shuts off on me. Don Gueco. You got your Christmas decorations here. Look, there's your Halloween mask for next year.
No.
Mickey Mouse.
Next year I will have my own
Yeah, your own, I know.
my own
Halloween mask? All right.
my own makeup artist.
All right, cool. Can't believe there's no music like jamming through here. Hello. Usually there's always music blaring through here. Not now. Clothing store. Go down by the meats, shoot across the road. Very busy, somewhat busy. Oh, down here. Hello. Gotta watch. I just want to walk down here, shoot across, and walk back, and then we'll grab our trike and go home. Cell phone repairs, Chanilas. Coming to the end of the day. Let's shoot across right here. Watch out, got a trike. Stay there, Lut. I gotta show them the famous landmark here. Everybody's favorite landmark here. It's still here. Hasn't gone anywhere. There's the old stop sign. Stop sign. Nobody stops. It's just for show. More chicken. More chicken. You gotta get that chicken early, man. You guys see that brown oil. It's usually somebody right here, right, Lut?
Huh?
Usually somebody cooking something right here.
Yeah.
It usually is. Stinkfoot, watch out for that. Usually do tilapia, because there's their tilapia bin. Hello, hello. A little grocery store. They say curfew is at 2 o'clock now? Curfew is at 2 o'clock?
I don't know.
I think they said curfew was moved to 2 o'clock now. That, you know, I don't know that really matters. I guarantee if you go out after 2 o'clock, nobody's going to stop you. 2 o'clock means all your, I guess, businesses have to shut down. Who knows? Who knows? It's hard to understand. It's always been hard to understand from day one. Rice. I'm just going to walk to the corner, look. There's where we're going to grab our trike to go home. I got their parole Christmas light going right there. That's a little bakery. Just showing you little stores here. And you got the Mr. Donuts here. Looks like their donut supplies are low. Guess they'll restock tomorrow morning, huh? All right, there it is. Remember, this used to be the burger shop here on the corner. Went out of business, closed up, and now it's a store. Just a little store. Clothing, sunglasses, you guys see it. Well, anyways, guys, there it is. There's what it looks like at night. Like I said, I always do a lot of walking videos during the day. We had some errands to run up here, so I figure, you know what? Show you guys what it looks like at night. So, anyways, with that being said, remember, guys, hang in there. It is getting closer for travel, tourism to come here. Just hang in there, hang in there, hang in there. And remember, it is okay to agree to disagree in this crazy world we're in right now. And we'll talk to you later.